In this video, I'm talking about the verb to be, am, is, are, was, were, and then some interesting expressions in English. Supposed to, and not supposed to, and supposed to be. Little combination here of everything. Let's take a look at how we use these. Simple, easy English, okay? Let's take a look. So this first verb to be, we will conjugate for who is doing the action. If there is no subject, okay, we might have something to be supposed to and some action. But we're thinking that there's a subject. We're thinking there's a person that is supposed to do an action. This idea of supposed to is an expectation. What is the expectation for this person? What are their responsibilities? Okay, so for example, let's say he is supposed to clean the house today. All right? He is, there's our to be verb, he is supposed to clean the house today. That's his responsibility today. He is supposed to clean the house today. He is, there's our to be verb, is, he is not supposed to play video games. All right? Imagine one of your children and you're thinking, I told him to clean the house today. That's his responsibility. That's my expectation. He is supposed to clean the house today. I told him not to play video games. He is not supposed to play video games. That's your expectation. And let's say at school. Imagine you're in your English class at school. Okay, I could say, you are supposed to practice the vocabulary. You are not supposed to talk on your cell. So during class, you are supposed to practice the vocabulary. You are not supposed to talk on your cell. These are some of the expectations for the class. You are not supposed to do this. Okay? Let's say, all right. Imagine you're working at Disney World and you're one of the employees and you're talking to the customers and the guests who are coming in. They're ready for a great day. They have paid lots of money for this special dream vacation at Disney World, and you're the employee. You are not supposed to be mean. You are not supposed to be, there's a verb there, mean, adjective. And this is going to set us up for this expression. You are not supposed to be mean. You are supposed to be nice. You are supposed to be positive. You are supposed to be happy. Yay! Woo! You are supposed to be nice. You are supposed to be positive. You are supposed to be happy. Make that more clear here. Happy. All right. With these two examples, I use the to be verb as my verb. So if I have a structure like this, I actually could add then an adjective, or I could add a noun. I could add an adjective like mean, mean, Happy. Yeah, positive. Woo, nice. Oh, are you having a good day? How are you? Let me help you. Oh, yeah, that looks great. Let me take a picture for you. Let's go. Okay? So if the verb that you are using is the to be verb, again here, you are supposed to be, you could follow that with an adjective or a noun. An adjective or a noun. Imagine you're on a vacation. You're going to a new city. And you reserve a hotel. And you're looking and looking and looking. And you see the address, but the address you have does not match the location or the building that you see. And you think, this is supposed to be the hotel. There's a noun. This is supposed to be the hotel. That is your expectation for the information you have. This is supposed to be the address. What happened? Something is different than your expectation. Or this could be for a future plan. So it could be something that in the present is different than your expectation. Well, this is supposed to be the hotel. I'm not sure if it is. It looks different. But it also could be for a future expectation you think will happen. And it's positive. It can be positive. You could say, for example, maybe you have a favorite teacher and he's for the next level of your English lessons. You could say, she is supposed to be my teacher as a noun. And you could have some other information here. She is supposed to be my teacher next year. You could put the time or some other information. She is supposed to be my teacher next year. You could use a noun. Or you could use an adjective. Ooh, she is supposed to be very good. This would say, I have heard her reputation. I have heard people say she is very good. She is supposed to be very good. You have this expectation for some future experience to have with this person. Or I could say, I could use all of this together, she is supposed to be a very good teacher. And here I have my adjective first and I have my noun. She is supposed to be a very good teacher. So the big idea here, when you see supposed to or not supposed to, or supposed to be, we have the to be verb first with a subject, you are, he is, she is, we are, and an expectation here. Supposed to with a verb in the infinitive form, and this could be many different verbs in the infinitive form, or using to be as your infinitive with an adjective and a noun, or simply a noun here, or just an adjective, to talk about the expectation. And you also could use it in the past if you change the original to be verb to the past. So, thinking about the hotel, this was supposed to be the hotel, and it's not. Or you think it was supposed to be clean, and it's not. It's different than your expectation. Maybe in this example of your son cleaning the house, maybe your son says, well, my sister didn't clean the house. My sister didn't clean the house. Well, she was not supposed to clean the house. That was not my expectation. That was not her responsibility today. She was not supposed to clean the house today. She was supposed to go to gymnastics. She was supposed to practice soccer. She was supposed to take a walk. You could put many different things there of the expectation you had for the past. Maybe it happened, maybe it didn't happen. This expression is to talk about your expectation, okay? Not did it happen or not happen, but what was your expectation? All right, I hope that's easier for you now and you're able to use these expressions in some interesting ways.